Every day when I pull, I galled them. So today it was Agalas, Feu, and Suelo. Can you all see the rabbit track? Here there's some partridge, and there this is fox tracks. So yeah, the fox is on the hunt for sure, looking for partridge. You even see a piece of wing right there, the partridge. So let's sing for all those beautiful animals that they're living here, and it makes me very, very happy to see all those tracks. So we go. Agalas, Agalas, Frey-ho, Frey, hey-ho. So we low, so we low. Ooh, I hope you can feel the energy who's around me. It's totally crazy. With all those animal tracks, all those animals living here. The wind was there. See, it stopped after I Galdr. There's no more wind in the tree. So nature appreciates you when you sing. When you Galdr, nature is there to listen to you. I hope you enjoyed that, because I really, really enjoy that one. Thank you very much.